Hey everybody, it's Chad with Nobody Else's Auto. We were out traveling a few weeks ago, stopped by a buddy of mine's place who messes with some old cars like we do. He had some super cool stuff sitting around. Thought we'd get the phone out, take a couple videos and show it to you. Like I said, he does the same thing I do, so this stuff is for sale. I'll post his number in the text so you can give him a shout if there's something you're interested in. But he's got some really super cool Ford stuff that I don't stumble across very often. Thought you guys might like to see it too. Right now we're gonna check out a couple of Rancheros, a 70 and a 71. Something you don't see very often, and these are both complete cars and really great projects. Now this 70 is a really unique car. Now the paint is basically gone off of it. If we look down this side real quick, we can see this car was that factory silvery blue color that Ford had back in the day that all peeled. Almost every Ford in this era of this color looks just like this, identical. The way it's flaked off, and that color in that era always did that. And in fact, something else kind of interesting about this car, sport mirrors while we're standing here, something you didn't see very often on these cars either. Now what makes this car really unique, it's a really well loaded car. 351 Cleveland, steering, brakes, air, plus this thing is rock solid. Let's take a peek under the hood. And she's all intact. AC compressor's even still there, lines are all still hooked up. You see the brake booster, really well loaded, intact car. It's going to make a great project. We take a look down this side of the car. This thing is straight. It's got the sport wheels on it. It's got the sport mirrors on it. For a Torino, you didn't see these things loaded up like this. Take a peek inside. I mean, the seat's obviously worn, but the rest of the interior, other than a couple cracks in the dash and the seat being worn, I mean, considering this car's 50 years old, looks really good. We can take a look right here at the floor pans in this car. We can pull the carpet up where it's kind of torn loose and see how solid and how nice this car is. Still got blue paint on the floor pans. See a ton of El Caminos in this era, see very few Rancheros. This thing around the back, it's got all the trim, it's got the tailgate molding, it's got the tail lights, all that stuff. Super hard to find on these cars. Well, check this other one out here. Another little Cougar sitting here. The Cougar's already sold, it's ready to get shipped out to a new home. This other Ranchero literally just came in. It's a 71 302 automatic, or excuse me, 302 factory, 3-speed, kind of different. It was a lighter green car. It's also got the sport style wheels on it. Tailgate solid. It's got the trim, it's got the tail lights. Once again, similar to the other one, really good project car. We look down the side of this car, it's straight, very minimal rust in it. Pretty neat old car. We'll take a peek inside of this one as well. Somebody put different seats in it, but other than that, everything's still pretty much intact in there with the dash and everything on this car. So pretty neat. Like I said, we see a ton of El Caminos. These 70, 71 Rancheros, you don't stumble onto them very often. Both these cars are great builders, and really, considering these cars are 50 years old, this car, I think, is totally solid, and this car has very minimal rust. But the big thing about it is not only are they solid, they're intact. Trying to find all this trim for a Ranchero would be extremely difficult, and on this one, it's all here. So, pretty neat cars. So like I said, these aren't mine, they're a buddy of mine's. I'll post his number in the text so you can give him a shout. If you have any questions off of my other videos on my stuff, you can always give me a call. I'll have my number on there as well. If you're on Facebook, please share this video with your friends, invite them to come over, like the page, check out what we've got going on. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like what we're looking at here, old cars, old trucks, automobilia, things like that, be sure to check out all of my other videos. That's all we do on this channel is cool old car stuff, some racing stuff. We're gearheads, that's who we are, that's what we do. So, as always, thanks for swinging by tonight, taking a few minutes out of your evening to hang out with us, check out some cool iron, and I hope you guys enjoyed the Rancheros tonight. Stay tuned, more cool stuff to come, and we will see you soon on the next video.